Baby, show me you can take it. Been a minute, I've been trying to get you naked. Fucking maybe we should tape it. By the morning, girl, I swear I'll make you famous. I just wanna see you work a little. Open up your legs and I'ma work the middle. Wow, wow, wow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. No, I really wanted to do a talk through with this tutorial, but I just did not get the chance. I super promise to those who are asking for talk through tutorials that one will be coming up soon. And yeah, this is the look that I came up with. If you do enjoy this look, don't forget to give this one a thumb up, and of course subscribe to my channel. That way you'll not miss any more of my uploads. Peace out. Now I'm taking this custom made palette. All these eyeshadows are from Coastal Scents, pay like $1 per piece, and I created this beautiful palette. Now I'm going in with this hot pink shade, and I'm just using this in my crease area, and I'm just blending this with my Coastal Scents 217 blending brush, and I'm going back and forth. Now I'm going in with this more cranberry like shade. It's not red, it's not pink, but it have that cranberry effect, and I'm using this just to deepen up what I have already laid down. So I'm just going on top of that and blending that back and forth. Now my third shadow that I'm going in, I didn't want to go in with a black just yet, so I'm going in with this dark. It have a very purple undertone, but it's not purple, it's very deep dark brown, and I'm just using this with a different blending brush just to go back and forth. Now I'm actually going into the black, and I'm taking this on a crease brush from Coastal Scents. These brushes are super inexpensive and they work just well. And I'm using this on the outer V of my eye, and I'm blending this to and from. So mostly I'm focusing this on the outer V because I super want that dramatic outer V of the eye. So now to blend and diffuse all these shadows together, I'm going in with this light pink shade, and I'm just using this just to blend my colors together and transition them out into one, so you don't have that ash effect. Now I depotted my LA colors. This is their white base, so I use this on a handle brush, and I just create the crease that I'm going for. Now my eyes are hooded, so I just go a little bit over my crease just to create the look. So this is pretty self-explanatory, and I'm using my beauty blender just to you know, pat this out. Don't pack on the shadows on this when this is not dry. So I get that dry, and then I just go and tidy up the outer V of the eye and just blend that together. So notice how I had that little white edges, so I just blend that out together. Now this palette has no name, but it's the white from this. I will leave the link in the description box to the palette, but it's the white from this palette that I'm using. I'm using this just to set and pat this on to the inner corners of the eye. Now I'm going in back with the hot pink shade, and I'm taking that pink just to pat on into the center of my lid, and I'm just using this all over until I just build up. Just keep adding that pink until you get the desired look. This is just basically a base before we apply that pink glitter. But before I apply my glitter, I just always want to go in with my liner first. This one is from LA Colors, and I'm just using this just to make nothing too dramatic, just to make a modest wing. Now I'm taking this liquid glue. This one is from Kiss, and these beautiful glitters. Now if you have not yet seen my glitter haul, please to check the link down in my description box where I talk about all these glitters. Now I'm just using that just to put on the pink and pat that on. Now I'm also going in with this silver glitter, and I'm using this on the inner corner of the eye. So as you see, I added more glue, and then I'm applying this silver white glitter because I really want that inner corner of my eye to be super popping. So I went ahead and I applied my lash off camera. Now for foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation, and this one is in the shade Coco. So I'm just using this Morphe brush just to blend out my foundation, and as you can see, I am pushing this in my skin. So for concealer, I use the Wet n Wild concealer. The exact name will be in my description box below. Now first I use this just to cancel out any dark circles underneath my eye, and to fill in any bags underneath my eye, just to cancel out that then after that I blend this out. But to actually highlight my face, I went ahead with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer just to further highlight, because I really wanted my under eyes to be super bright and bold, especially with a look like this. So that's when I went in with this, just to top up and give it some more brightness underneath my eyes. And then of course I blended this out, and of course I'm going in with my setting powder. The one that I'm using right now, it's actually my fave. This one is called, what's it called? It's called Covergirl, and it's in the shade 105. Yeah, that's the shade. It's in the shade 105. So I just use this on my elf brush, and yeah, this is the elf brush, but it is so soft. It just gets the job done perfectly. I love this for setting my face. So I just use this and just push that in, set my face before I actually go in with any form of baking. For my all over face, I'm going in with the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using that middle shade that is called Sculpt, just to just set all areas of my face that I did not apply any powder. So I set my face, then I sculpt it, then I'm going in with the darker shade from the contour palette just to chisel out my cheekbone area, and of course putting back the shapes in my face that the foundation would have already taken out, because sometimes when you use foundation it just leaves the face so flat. So that's why I like to just really go in and do a light contour. Now before I do my under eyes, I love just to bake for a minute the powder underneath my eye. So after that I just bake underneath my eye, that it can catch any fallout when I'm doing my lower lashes. So the same dark shade that I use in my crease, I'm going in at my lower lashes with this, then just to add a little pop, just to match my outfit and just to add like a pop of color, I'm going in with this blue. Oh my god, this blue is like, it's so creamy and buttery. I love these shadows from Coastal Scents. And of course I'm just sweeping away the excess and using my same contouring brush just to put back some shapes in my nose. Now for my favorite part, highlighting, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this one is called Rose Petal. Definitely the name will be done in my description box below. I also have a review on this highlighter, so if you want to check that out, I will also leave that link. So I'm just highlighting all the eye points of my face, my cupid's bow, the bridge part of my nose, and of course setting this bad boy in place. Like, there is nothing without setting spray. So I set that in place. And for my lips, I go in with my LA color, and this is in Raspberry, just to outline my lips. And then I use Kylie Leo on my lips, and this is the look, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a thumb up.
Baby, show me you can take it. Been a minute, I've been trying to get you naked. Fucking maybe we should tape it.